This tutorial is for Easy Interactive Tools, which is the free interactive software provided with BrightLink for use when connected to a PC or Macintosh computer. If you are not sure if you have this software, you can watch the video in this series titled Downloading and Installing the Easy Interactive Tools. The Easy Interactive Tools whiteboard mode has a toolbar that appears on a blank surface, background image, or pattern. You can write or draw with the pen, add images, and save or print the pages that you create. To choose whiteboard mode, just tap the icon at the top of the toolbar. Here you can see our blank surface. Let's first change the background. I'll locate the Select Background button and tap on it. Now we can choose from the backgrounds shown in the dialog box. I can choose from solid colors, patterns, and at the bottom, you can even choose an image from a connected camera or a file from your computer. For this example, I'll tap and select the dark green background, and then tap Close. Let's take a look at some of the annotation tools. Towards the bottom of the toolbar, we see pen and highlighter tools and erase tools. There are 3 pen tools of different colors and thicknesses, and also a custom pen and highlighter. I'll tap to choose the custom pen tool. Now I can tap on the arrow icon and customize this tool. Here I can set a thickness and a color for the tool. I'll choose light green for the color and increase the thickness. Now I can draw with the pen on the whiteboard area. At the bottom there are 2 erase tools. I'll tap on the eraser, which is the top one, and now I can erase what I just drew. Below this tool I can tap and choose to clear the entire screen. To add an image to the whiteboard, I can tap on the Insert Image button. Now I can choose to add an image from a file on my computer or from a connected camera. I'll tap From File and choose a file that is sitting on my desktop and tap Open. The image is added, and now I can tap the Select tool and drag the image to another location of the board. Whiteboard mode allows you to work with multiple pages. I'll tap the New Page button to create a new page. We then see our new page, and in the upper right corner, it now says 2 of 2. To see all the pages that I have, I can tap on the Page List button, and we can see thumbnails of the pages on the left. I'll tap on Page 1 and go back to it. To save your pages, tap the Save button on the right of the toolbar. Now you can choose a location on your computer to save it, and use the on-screen keyboard that appears to enter a file name. If I tap on Save As Type, you can see I can choose JPEG, bitmap, PNG, or PDF. I'll choose JPEG and tap Save. Finally, you may need to print the pages you create. For example, if you wanted to distribute them to a class, just tap the Other Tools button, and then tap the Print button. Now you can choose your printer and tap Print when you're ready to print your pages.